and gaming. Today we're going to be making a Chamber of Secrets themed wall hanging. So I have 2 pages from the book here, chapter 9 and chapter 7. I didn't actually cut up a book to do this, I just photocopied the book and then trimmed the excess. Now with this you need a photo frame. I've got an A4 certificate frame here and some Scrabble letters. I'm going to have "You'll Be Next Mudbloods" as the wording on the front of the frame. So step 1, we're just going to add some green background. So I'm just going to use a piece of glass to trace the size. Just make sure you're tracing on the back of your piece of card so you don't have to get rid of the pencil lines. If you've got it cut out, just position your pages I'm just going to take them in place with a little bit of craft glue because the frame will hold all together. Once you've done that, I've got this nice silver tape. I'm just going to use it for decorating the corners. So all I want to do is just fold it onto the corners, just to give it a nice edge. Once you've done that, assemble it in your frame. I find using the certificate frames are good for this because they're designed to have that extra layer of cardboard between. And just clip it all back into place. What should be left then is that. So what we're going to do is we're going to write "You'll Be Next Mudbloods" across the screen. So we're just going to lay out all our letters how we want them. These are just Scrabble letters. Now obviously there's no apostrophe in Scrabble, so I did make one because "You Will Be Next Mudbloods" didn't sound quite right for this. So I want to keep as much of the title as possible available, so I'm just going to do it on an angle, like running on the diagonal across. So once you've got all your pieces in position, I'm just going to use Target's grip to glue it on. You can obviously use hot glue if you have that available as well. Once you've got all your letters on, that one is finished. Thank you for watching our video today. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe.